most people don't know this trick to see their subscribers on YouTube. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to see all your subscribers on YouTube. This method works on both Android and iPhone devices. So let's get started. First of all, open YouTube. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. After that, tap on notifications. Now turn on the subscriptions option. Here I have already turned on this option. Now go back to the YouTube homepage. Then tap on your profile picture again. After that, tap on view channel. Here you will see an option called see your subscribers. Just tap on it. Now you can see all the people who subscribed to your YouTube channel. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.